am Professor Dr. Simar Shergill, HOD Life Sciences. Today I will be discussing about various plagiarism checker software, or I will be talking about various sites where you can use these online software to check the plagiarism in your original writings. Now the first thing, why this plagiarism checking is important? Well, students, you know, if you are running a business, or you are a professor or an academician or a research scholar or a supervisor, then it becomes very much mandatory to check the originality of your writings, because you don't want the author of the work, original work, to come after you and to take the legal action against you if he or she finds out that you have copied the content without consenting that specific person. So therefore it becomes very much essential to check the plagiarism in the writings or in any kind of document before submitting it for any kind of degree or for any representation. So today I will be discussing about the various sites which are offering this facility to check the plagiarism. So first comes the copyscape.com. This is free online software. Like if you only want to check few contents, like few details about the copied content, then this you will get the free version of this copyscape.com. But yes, if you want the detailed information, like from where the content has been copied, you want to get the information about various sites. So if you actually need the detailed analysis, then you have to take the subscription for this software. So to check the plagiarism is very much easy. You simply need to cut the content and to paste it into the box, into the URL box. Then you just click the search, and within a seconds you will get the information about the copied contents. And some of the softwares even let you know from which sites you have copied the content, or if any in-text citation is missing. So accordingly you can rephrase the content, you can rewrite it, or you can mention the name of the author or the researcher to give the credit, and you can avoid stealing the work of the other authors. If especially you are submitting your work for getting a PhD degree or any post-graduation degree. So what is the pros of this copyscape.com? You can get an accurate picture of any of your content that is being copied and the magnitude that being copied. But yes, if you want the detailed information, again you have to pay per copy check. Second one is the grammarly.com. This is free. Like initially for the 1 week you will get the free trial. So mostly students, what they do, they just get the option of this free trial of 7 days, and you can get your content checked over here, documents checked over here. But yes, if you like the software and you want to subscribe this, yes, then you can get the subscription plan, like monthly, quarterly, or the annual subscription. And this is, as I have mentioned over there, winner accuracy, means the results, they are very much accurate. So this is a winner when we talk about the accurate results. But yes, after 1 week you have to take the subscription. So information that is given is very accurate. This is the pros, and the cons, yes, obviously after 1 week trial, 7 days trial, you have to pay for the further subscription. But this is a very good software for plagiarism checking. The next is the writecheck.com. This is paid only. So in this case, like if you this tool is not free, as I said, paid only. So if you want to check the plagiarism by using this tool, when you download it, you have to pay for it, and only after that you can get your content checked. Yes, sometimes as I said, like if you simply want to check a single document or a few 2 or 3 documents and not a regular user, then this would be a costly affair for you. So then you need not to go for this paid one if only you want to check only a single copy or few contents. Otherwise this is very good. and mostly the universities or the institutes I have mentioned over there. This is geared up toward the university or the college students who want to submit their work to get any degree. So this is very accurate and very good for institutions or for the academicians who on regular basis they want to check the plagiarism. Otherwise, as a student only, if you want to check only one single copy, you need not to go for this. Then next is the plazscan.com. Again, this is paid only, and when you download this is software, you have to take the subscription. This is very good in checking, and you will get only one option, like if you don't like this software after using it, you can cancel your membership or the subscription. But yes, you have to give the valid reason why you are cancelling the subscription. But you can't use it even for a single day or for a trial basis. You can't use this software. Next one is the Turnitin.com. This is paid only, but this is a very good, or I would say the best software for plagiarism checking. Most of the universities or institutes or the colleges, they have been using this Turnitin for a long time. But yes, as an individual, you can't get the subscription of this Turnitin.com. Your university or the institute has to apply for the subscription, and then when they will get the subscription, they will get the login ID and the password. Further, they can pass on that login ID and password to the researchers, to the supervisors or the guides or the faculty members, and the faculty members can further provide the login ID. They can create the login ID and the password for the research scholar or for their own students. So as an individual, if you apply for Turnitin.com to use it, this could be a very costly affair, and mostly they give subscription only to the institutes or for the universities only, and this is one of the best of the plagiarism checking software. So if you are a research scholar or a scientist or a professional, definitely you need to go for this Turnitin.com. Next is the Plagium.com. This is free, but when you use this, they ask for the donation if you really like it. So results are like, as an individual, if you want to check one or two documents, then you can go for this Plagium.com. Next is the Scan My Essay. Again, this is the paid one, and when you download it, you have to take the subscription. Not even a free trial is available for this plagiarism checking software. But yes, if I see like pros and cons, not really, because mostly the people, they avoid such kind of softwares when when you try to download and suddenly prompted up the things like you have to pay, you need subscription first. So you want, on a trial basis, you want to use for one or two documents, so that you can get the picture, like whether they are providing you the perfect analysis or not. So that trial is not available in this case, so I wouldn't recommend to go for this. Yes, if you are ready to pay for this, then it's fine. Next one is the plagiarism /detect.com. This is free, and the results, as I mentioned over here, this is also winner in the accuracy. So this is very quite plain and simple to use. It's not confusing, very easy, interface is very clear, so you can run it very easily. Again, you need to just copy and paste into the URL, and within a fraction of seconds you will see the results. So free to use, you will get the fast results, details are clear, simple to read, and provide a good amount of the information that is useful. So sometimes most of the softwares, the kind of analysis they give, that is not easy to understand, but yes, this is also one of the best software which can be used for the plagiarism checking. Next comes the Arkund.com. Again, this is paid only, but this is winner in the accuracy, and mostly institutes and the universities, after Turnitin, they have been using this Arkund. And as this is a paid one, and in this case again the subscription is not for the individual, subscription is only for the universities, colleges or the institutes. So first they need to university needs to register for this Arkund.com by paying the subscription fees. Then they will be given this login ID and password, which can be further given to the faculty member, researcher or to the students. So this is very good in accuracy and the reliability. Again, cons, it only sells its licenses to the professionals at an organization, hence they don't sell to single users or to the students. So as a student, if you are looking for the subscription, you will not be given. Otherwise, this is the best one. Next is the plagiarism.net. This is free. Again, this is very simple to use, but yes, it will after the analysis it will let you know about the copied content, but it will not tell you from which sites you have copied the content, so you will not get the complete information. Otherwise, again, if you want to check the plagiarism of few documents, then you can avail, as this is free, so you can avail this software for checking your content. So, and again, you will not be certain how accurate the results are. So, accuracy is also in dilemma. So, dear students, now we come to the conclusion. See, I keep on repeating this thing. If you are a professional, you are an academician, researcher, or you are running some kind of organization, it's better to go for the paid ones, because in the paid ones software you will get the complete analysis of your research work or of your document, right? And most of the cases for the paid ones, the subscription, like as I said in case of Turnitin and Arcon, the subscription is for the universities and for the institutions. But yes, as a student, if you want to check only one or two documents, then obviously I have mentioned the list of the online software. You can use any of these software to check your content. But yes, do check your content before submitting any report for any degree or for any work, just to find out the original content. You are the author of the or the writer of that content, so that if you are stealing the work of somebody else, they may take legal action against you. So it's better to use the to check the plagiarism and to use the plagiarism checking software before submitting any document of yours. So thank you very much.